Hey everyone, it's Brian Staveley, your Lake Norman Realtor. And today I'm going to briefly explain what actually affects mortgage rates. And then we're going to talk about what's happening right now in our local housing market. Let's start with the big picture. The U.S. economy is measured by GDP. That's the value of all the goods and services we provide. Ideally, we want to see a 2% growth annually. If we're under that, that's a sign that the Fed should consider cutting interest rates to give our economy a boost. Next up is unemployment. Anything under 6% is considered healthy. Right now, we're at 4.5%. Looks good on paper. However, we are trending in the wrong direction. But if unemployment rises, that's another reason the Fed would look at lowering rates. Okay, now let's talk inflation. This is the Fed's number one priority. When inflation is high, they raise rates to cool things down. That's why they've been holding steady on rates recently. Keeping inflation under control is their top concern, even above unemployment. So what exactly is the Fed rate? It's currently sitting at 4%. The Fed rate basically is what banks charge other banks to borrow money overnight. It trickles down into mortgage rates, car loans, credit cards. Basically, it impacts all of us. Now let's bring it closer to real estate. This summer, home sales are actually outpacing last year. It's a great sign. Prices are staying flat, but believe it or not, that is a good thing. It means we're stabilizing after some big swings. Here in North Carolina, we've seen about a 68% appreciation since the pandemic began. Over the last year, prices are up just 2.6%. Again, basically flat, but that kind of steady growth is healthy for buyers and sellers. So what's the takeaway? We're trending in the right direction. Sales activity is strong, prices are holding steady, and the market here in North Carolina remains one of the most resilient in the country. But here's the thing. No one can predict with 100% certainty where the rates or prices will go next. What you can do is start preparing now. That means getting pre-qualified with a lender, really understanding your budget, and most importantly, connecting with the right agent. That's where I come in. I live right here in Cornelius, right on Lake Norman. I know these neighborhoods inside and out, and I'm passionate about helping people make the right move for their families. When you work with me, you're not just getting a realtor, you're getting a neighbor who cares, listens, and will go above and beyond to make the process smooth and successful for you. So let's start your home buying process today. All my information, all my links are below, from my KW website to all my social media, my email, my phone number, everything you could ever need. I'm Brian Staveley, your Lake Norman